For the team, I'm going to do a card trick tutorial. It is the ultimate 3-card Monte variation. It's the best 3-card Monte that I know. I have a gimmick 3-card Monte, and this one's the best one, okay? So, let me start, okay? I have 3 cards, okay? 1, 2, 3 cards, okay? So, look, I'll show you the top card, the king. I'll put that card down, show you another king, okay? And then I have the ace, the money card, okay? So, look. Since the ace is on top, if I move the ace to the bottom, you'll probably say it's on the bottom, right? Wrong. Probably say it's on top. Wrong. Probably say it's in the middle. Wrong. Probably say I don't have an ace at all. You're wrong. The ace is right here. Since you couldn't find an ace, why don't you try to find a king? Probably say it's on top. Wrong. Probably say that it's in the middle. Wrong. Probably say I have more than 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. So look, I'll show you the king and I'll show you the ace. I'll give you $20 if you get this card right. It's a 3. So that's the trick right there. So let me get to the tutorial. Okay. Let me move the camera so you get a better angle of the trick from my perspective, so it's not opposite. Okay. So start. Okay. So these cards are just 3 regular cards. Okay. Most of the tricks is double lifts. That's pretty much the whole trick. Okay. So let me start with the setup. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to want to have the ace on the bottom, the king in the middle, and the 3 on top. Okay, so three's on top, ace on bottom, king in the middle. Okay, so you have to do double lift. So you just push off 2 cards as one, and you flip them over. That's it. That's a double lift. Okay, so you push off 2 cards as one. So you just leave the last card here, and you flip it over like that. Okay. There's another way you could do it where you just pull down the last card like that. So kind of like a little break opens up and you just take it from the break and you flip it over. But I don't like to do that way. So, okay, so let me start with the trick. You say, okay, I have 3 cards, okay? You show them the top card, which is a double lift. So you do double lift. Say, I'm going to put that card down. And you do a regular flip. Show that you have the king. And then that you show the ace, okay? You say, okay, if I put the ace on top, and I put it to the bottom, it probably stays on the bottom, right? So that's what you're gonna say. Now, right when you have the ace on top, you're gonna want to take off 2 cards as one and put it underneath the 1 card. Okay? So they think that you're just putting the ace on the bottom when you're actually putting 2 cards on the bottom. Okay? So this is what you're doing. You say, okay, I'm gonna put the ace on the bottom, 2 cards. Wrong. It's right here. And this is another move that you're gonna have to learn. It's where you pull back the top card, and you push the top card and the middle card together at the same time, like that. Okay. So you pull it back, push it forward, and you keep pushing forward till you hit the bottom card. So like this. Let's see. Pull back, and you keep going right here till you hit the card right there. So you again pull back the top card, then take both cards up until you hit the bottom card. So you do that move right when you have it in this position. You're gonna want to take both cards off as one. So you're taking the top and bottom card like that. Okay. So you're taking 2 cards off, and they say, okay, you probably say it's on the bottom. Wrong. You're probably gonna say it's in the middle. Wrong. You probably say I don't have an ace at all. Wrong. You just show them the bottom card, and then you say, okay, since you couldn't find an ace, I want to try to find a king. So you do that same move where you pull back like this, show the card, you probably say it's on top. Wrong. Probably say it's in the middle. Wrong. You probably say I have more than 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And that's when you say, okay, I'll show you the king and I'll show you the ace. I'll give you $20 to guess this card or whatever. They're never gonna guess the card, okay? Unless you've already shown the trick to them. But they're probably gonna guess either king or ace. That's just the way it is. And you say, you're wrong. It's a 3 or whatever your card is. So that's the card trick right there. If you want to see more card tricks, just put down in the description below. Okay. So see, here's a snap change. There we go. Okay. So that's the trick right there. Like and subscribe. Thanks.